In a world where technology meets affordability, finding the ultimate laser printer under $300 becomes an exhilarating journey. When discovering an exceptional laser printer with great value without straining your budget, the optimal laser printer under $300 transforms into an exhilarating blend of technology and affordability. We present a curated collection of laser printers that offer exceptional print quality and showcase groundbreaking features to transform your printing experience. Say goodbye to blurry prints, slow processing, and paper jams, whether you're a student, a small business owner, or a tech enthusiast. We have listed the best laser printer under $300 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each laser printer in the description box, so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the Canon ImageClass MF462DW laser printer. The Canon ImageClass MF462DW laser printer is an optimistic choice for anyone looking to create high-quality prints under $300. It boasts the innovative one-pass duplex scan technology, which allows you to obtain double-sided scans with a single pass through the automatic document feeder. With a generous maximum input sheet capacity of 250, you can embark on extensive decal projects without needing paper reloading. With the ability to print up to a mind-blowing 37 pages per minute and a first printout time of less than 4.9 seconds for letter-sized documents, you can turn your digital designs in the blink of an eye. The MF462DW offers seamless wireless connectivity, like Wi-Fi direct connection, to cater to your on-the-go printing needs. Whether you prefer Canon Print Business, Apple AirPrint, or Mopria Print Service, this printer ensures flawless performance. The printer offers incredible versatility in sheet sizes, ranging from 4.1 x 5.8 to 8.5 x 14 inches in the standard/optional cassette, and 3 x 5 inches to 8.5 x 14 inches in the multipurpose tray. It's like a canvas of limitless possibilities for your printing designs. Moreover, it boasts a compact and stylish design, measuring 18.1 x 16.6 x 14.8 inches. To get this laser printer right now, click on the link in the description box below.